Do you think about what you're running from? Not by me anymore. Oh, what you're running from? Not by me anymore.
Can we literally talk about the fact that coffee is a drug dependence? It's literally a drug dependence. But welcome to today's study vlog. We have a lot to do. It is midterm season and we are neck deep in exams and assignments. So today I have my little to-do list of everything I need to complete, and it's a lot. So first thing, I need to do some pre-lab work for my lab tomorrow for anatomy and pharmaceutics. You guys know my thoughts about anatomy and pharmaceutics from my college finals blog. They're tough courses. We need to prep for the digestive system as well as for suppositories. I guess they kind of go hand in hand, digestive, suppositories, kind of messy. I also have an assignment due tonight at 11:59. I also have 2 lectures that I need to catch up on. I don't know how I got behind, but we did. Last week I had 2 exams and a virtual lab, so that kind of just ruined me and pushed me back in some courses, but it's okay. We're gonna catch up today because I have you guys to keep me accountable, so let's get working. To prep for my anatomy lab, I'm going to be going over some diagram worksheets. Now, because in anatomy we're looking at cadavers and trying to identify structures, the best way to practice is to know what the structures look like. Now, I can tell you it's a lot easier to identify things when they're colored and pretty versus an actual cadaver where everything is one color. I feel like when looking at anatomical diagrams is like what you see online, and then seeing it in real life is what you get in person because it looks completely different. We're done 80 different structures of the digestive system. We've studied it, and I feel pretty comfortable going into the lab tomorrow. I don't know if you saw for I think it was the small intestine, I was erasing so much because I thought I had it down, but then clearly I didn't when I saw the answer. So that one I'm definitely gonna practice during the lab, get comfortable with it, but it's 1 right now, so I want to eat, my stomach is hungry, but I want to go through my pharmaceutics lab before I eat. So it'll probably take maybe less than 30 minutes, so we're gonna do that and then we'll eat. And it's now time for lunch. For lunch, we got whole wheat pasta and tomato sauce with chicken and carrots, and then, of course, watching some Good Doctor. I'm currently taking a little study break, but now I thought would be the perfect time to introduce you to FUM, a Canadian company that makes wooden aromatherapy inhalers. Now, I've worked with FUM in the past, and their aromatherapy really helped me get through my college finals week. And as a pharmacy student, we actually learned about natural health products, and there is evidence to show that aromatherapy is effective for managing stress and even pain. So that's why I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So how does an inhaler work? You have a core, which looks like this, and it contains your essential oil. Now, they have your classic essential oils like eucalyptus and lavender, but also some really unique ones like Invigorate, and this will definitely wake you up. Great for the mornings. And one of their new releases, Cozy Chai. Imagine your favorite drink, but in aromatherapy form, and this one's for stress relief. So you're gonna take your core and then you're gonna fray it. Okay. So once your core is frayed, you're just gonna take your inhaler, insert, and breathe in. The chai is so good. It's like warm, it's comforting, and for some reason, my upcoming midterms don't seem so daunting anymore. The best thing about these inhalers is that they're portable, so whenever or wherever you're feeling stressed or you need a boost, you can reap the benefits of aromatherapy. If you've never tried aromatherapy, I recommend it. It's become really, really popular over the past couple of years, and if you are an expert in aromatherapy, you're a fan of it, I bet you haven't heard of some of these unique scents that FUM has to offer. Go check out the website in the description box below, and you can use my code Nathan for 10% off. Now let's get back to studying. So I finished eating. Lunch was good. However, I did forget to put Parmesan, so it was lacking some flavor, but it was all right. And also whole wheat pasta. I don't know if that's my favorite, but I guess it's healthy. So right now I'm a little bit tired because of that like post-food slump. However, I know it'll quickly pass. So right now I have 2 lectures to do for pharmaceutics, and they are old lectures because I'm behind. So I need to cover tablets as well as capsules, and of course 2 times speed. My lectures are always at 2 times speed if they're recorded. So I am standing at like a little desk, so you know, it keeps me focused, energized, and also to complete my rings on my watch. We're gonna watch the lectures. I'm sitting again and it feels good. My legs were getting really tired. So lecture's done and I'm just taking a little break. Now, guys, I'm telling you, taking breaks is so important because, I mean, I don't follow the Pomodoro technique exactly, but after like a lecture or after like an assignment or a worksheet or something, like I have to take a break. And that's like a water break, a washroom break, snack break, anything just to remove yourself from the space for a few minutes at least, and then get back into it. So as I'm eating just some roasted almonds, I thought I'd chat with you and just tell you what's going on. So we're in midterm season. Last week I had 2 exams, jurisprudence and anatomy. Jurisprudence went really well. We got the marks back already, speedy, I know. I got an A-, which I'm so pleased about. And then for anatomy, we know how anatomy is. I don't know what I got, but I do feel all right about it. I don't wanna like jinx anything, but I think my strategy and my mindset is different now. So I just had more confidence doing it, more prepared. Now we're just waiting for the marks. I think it's a good start to the midterm season. So with those done, my calendar looking forward, I have an exam next week for medicinal chemistry. And then the following week, I have 2 exams plus a lab day. So if you don't know, I have lab days for basically almost like 6-7 hours straight. I have an anatomy lab in the morning and then my pharmaceutics lab after, which is 5 hours. That week, I'm definitely gonna be filming the entire week. I think it's gonna be a great video. 2 midterm exams and a lab day. It's gonna be wild. So look forward for that. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of study like content you want. Do you want study vlogs where I do some work and then I talk to you and then do some work, talk to you, that kind of stuff and update you like that? Or would you rather just like a study with me real time where it's just 1 hour, 2 hours of me working and then you work alongside with me? Let me know because I'm open to both and I want to create content that you guys get motivated from, that you get inspired from. So just let me know in the comments and I'll probably do it. Let me stop talking and then I'll do my last lecture. And we're done. Well, no, we're not done. I still have my assignment to do, but we did anatomy pre-lab, pharmaceutics pre-lab, 2 lectures, and then, yeah, we have an assignment to do. Last few minutes of the lecture was brutal. I don't know if anyone else has this, but like, I get really like angsty in the last few minutes because I want it to end, but yeah, that's just me being impatient. So I'm gonna pack up and head home because I'm hungry, and I also have a package waiting for me at home, which I'm super excited. So I will see you at home. I'm home and I just finished reheating some food for dinner. I'll show you what I'm having. So it's just Indian food leftovers. We have the biryani rice, the tandoori chicken, and the stir-fry vegetables, which actually I made. And then finishing up my Good Doctor episode. Finished eating dinner, really yummy. I was quite hungry after my snack, so glad my hunger is satisfied. So right now it is 8:27 p.m. at 8:30. So in 3 minutes, I'm gonna be hopping on a FaceTime call with my friend who is also working on this assignment with me. And then we're gonna finalize everything. I need to do my referencing and then submit it. It's been a really productive day, so I'm glad. I mean, you guys are keeping me accountable, so that's why I'm not procrastinating or anything. So thank you. Okay, we're submitting. And we're done. It's 10 p.m., so my day is pretty much over. You guys know I'm an early sleeper, so it's time to go to bed. Today was a really productive day. I'm so glad I brought you guys along with me on this study vlog. You guys kept me accountable. You guys kept me productive, so thank you. And I hope that when you watch this video that I'm able to reciprocate that and able to motivate and inspire you guys. So I love that it's a little like a reciprocal relationship we got. So tomorrow I have my lab. Gotta wake up and be at the School of Pharmacy by 9:30, so definitely need my sleep. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment. Again, I asked you, do you want to see more study vlogs or do you want to see real-time study with me's? Let me know. And if you want to see more day-to-day content, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications because I post every single Tuesday. I'm gonna go to bed, so good night, friends. Bye.
Missing someone